In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook profile picture. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents that is over to your Facebook, right? This is our Facebook. So click on your account. This is our account right now. If you want to change your profile picture, what we're going to do right now, you just click on this icon, right? You're going to see this camera, click on it. Right now, I can just decide to upload a profile picture, right? If I select this one, I can just select, let me say, this, right? I can pick this, right? I'll open it. Yeah, so I can add this as my profile picture, and if any reasons you love to change your Facebook profile picture, this is the same way you can do that, right? Just choose the image you want for it, right? Then once done, you're gonna click on the save. Your profile picture is public, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you find this video, appreciate it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.